Hi there everybody, welcome to my channel. So in case that you came here to see me show you how to create clean line art, well, you came to the right place. So I'm gonna show you how you can turn this into clean line art, as I've said before. But so yeah, let's get into it. So this method can be applied in any way, to be honest. It can be applied in Photoshop, Clip Studio. Well, I'm currently using Clip Studio, but it also can be applied to Photoshop, Illustrator, anything else. Like for example, what I'm going to use, I'm going to use the curve tool, this one over here, for my line art. For Photoshop, it's pen tool or anything. Yeah, pen tool, whatever you kind of use, so the same effect. Same thing with the rest of the other softwares. So if you want dedicated tutorials for that, please comment below and leave a like. Now just do individual tutorials. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm gonna use the curve tool in Clip Studio, right? And then you can press U for a shortcut. Then I end up getting close. So the method of getting line art is with 3 steps. So you need to start from thick to thin. Thick is for the outline of the whole entire image. Because medium is like thin lines for the interior details, and the very thin line is for small details, like really small details that's not so visible but you want to add them in. So yeah, what I'm going to show you now is like how you can get that set up. So the way I do it is leave this brush size 2 apart. So I'm saying that's 2 steps apart. So for example, my large line is going to be 12 for this one. I think I'm gonna use 12. I don't know, you depend on how thick you want it, right? I'm gonna use 12. So I'm gonna open a new vector layer. You can use a normal vector layer or normal layer in general, does not matter. And we start doing this as you can see with the curve tool. Yeah. Now, okay, as you can see, it's starting to take effect for the outline. So from 12, then you start going in. So the curve tool helps because you don't have to start. Usually what people teach you, like if you have a drawing pen or drawing tablet, you need to practice your hand motion and stuff. So sometimes you don't really have time to do that, but you should if you have a drawing tablet. But I do have a drawing tablet. It's just a Wacom Intel's. But whenever I do line art, I usually use the drawing tablet for sketch. But for line art, I either switch back into mouse because this is how I do my line art. But yeah, so with the curve tool, you just simply continue doing this. It's a simple technique, to be honest. A very simple thing to do. With the pen tool, I've tried it with Photoshop, but I can do that. As I said, if you want me to do it, you can comment down below and I'll make a dedicated tutorial for that. But yeah, as you can see, oh no, what I'm doing is a mistake here. As you can see, take the eraser tool, where vector lines allows you to delete a whole bunch of lines at the same time. So what you're supposed to do with the thick lines, usually I get carried away and stuff, is just use it for the main outline, just around the image, basically just around the image. Then you go around and around. I'm saying around too much, but yeah, go around and around, as you can see. But yeah, as soon as you're done, you get line up. But let me just turn off this layer, this layer, and turn on this layer. As you can see, I have myself a clean line art of the same sketch. No sketches, nothing, anything. So as you can see, I started off with an outline which is thicker than all of it. Then went inside with a medium line around. As I say, if I used 6, I used 3 for me. Oscar's interior, Oscar's detail. Then for fine detail, I'll use 1. That's how I'll do it. But yeah, as you can see, I got clean line art here. It's not that difficult if you think about it. But yeah, this is how I do my line art. If you like it, leave a like below. Subscribe if you want to see more of my tutorials, which I'm planning to release soon. But yeah, I'll see you next time. This is how I do, as I say, my lineup. But yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace.